Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a TikTok makeup tutorial. This is not a TikTok hack or TikTok DIY. This is a full face TikTok makeup tutorial. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
You are my warm place. You are my mad strike, set me ablaze. I wish we could stay, but I got other demons I need face to face. You left me with a heavy heart. I'm colder than the day you met me in the dark. I feel the air around me as it starts to move. I realize I never had that much to lose, You are my warm place. You are my mad strike, set me ablaze. I wish we could stay, but I got other demons I need face to face. You left me with a heavy heart. I'm colder than the day you met me in the dark. I feel the air around me as it starts to move. I realize I never had that much to lose, to lose.